Do you want to learn how to make gradients with colored pencils and you don't know how? Today I explain it to you. The first step to achieve a good gradient should start with the darkest color from our color range. It must be painted making smooth circles until the desired surface is filled. Then we continue with the second darkest color in our range of colors. Then we will apply this new color on the previous layer. Then we apply the third darkest color from our range of colors and do exactly the same as the previous layer. Remember to always try to paint as evenly as possible. Then I will make a video on how to make colored pencils. Subscribe and like if you want more content like this that motivates me to continue uploading content. Finally, you can add a bit of white according to the brightness and contrast you want to achieve. And we finished. Now you are ready to make any gradient you want. Good luck and see you.